Have you ever wondered what it would be like to be a Time Lord? Well, I sure did.
You shouldn't have let me press all those buttons.
The Global Moon Jam, first edition apparently. Have to make a game about the theme. Time. Wait, that's so vague. Let's try to add one more difficulty to it. With my random generator. Remove rigid body, yeah. Ragdolls! Okay. So it took me about 30 minutes to recycle some old code, because I already done that in a previous game. Then I started creating a tile for the game. Okay, let's give it a shot. Oh yeah. Okay, if you look closely, you'll notice that its way of jumping, it's actually ass first, body second. You know what? That's fine. I'm not judging. Next step for me was to add a dither effect, because it just looks beautiful. Also, if you want to know how I did the ragdoll thing, the shader effects, and later on the softbody effects, I'm gonna link everything in the description. This is how the game looks now. Wait, what if I were to add a gradient? Oh god, okay, that's trippy, I love it. Okay people, I can actually add some post-processing on top of it. Let's go. Now that the design is done, let's actually work on some gameplay mechanics, like a moving platform. Wait, I almost forgot the vignette effect, and oh my shit, it's beautiful. I was talking about SoftBodies before, and here it is in action. I don't know what you guys think, but I'm in love with this tech. Okay, this is cute and all, but let's not forget about the theme, time. Let's make our player a Time Lord, and all I needed was one line of code. I just made time relative to the magnitude of the velocity of the player. I never played super hard, but I think that's the idea, right? Okay, as you can see it's working, but it's super hard to control. Let's just, you know, like, yeah, divide everything by 2. Now, this is what I like to call a Time Lord. It's working. And then it happened. Wait, what do you mean I can't multiply time by 100? Come on, Unity. I then added a Cinemachine 2D virtual camera that kinda led to this. Okay, Beta, you can make this jump. Just breathe. Oh, goddammit. Okay, this time for real. I believe in the power of friendship. No. I blame Yu-Gi-Oh on that one. So don't worry, for noobs like me, I added a way to recover from this failed jump. Okay, this time, I believe. I believe. Yes. I did it. Here's a nice little tip for game jammers. If you want extra textures with different colors, just change the hue value. It works wonderfully. And I added a friend. So you guys can play around together. Yes. Also a bubble so that you can play football? I have no idea. This is the exact moment in time where I became batshit crazy about the hue shift value. But just look at how beautiful it looks. I also had this new idea of making the intensity of the bloom effect breathe with a sine wave. This is how it looks. And as everything in this game, it's directly related to the speed of the player. At some point in the development, I realized that sometimes the player would just fade away with the background color. Don't worry though, I fixed it. I also added some areas in the game that completely generate new colors. Okay, this is an interesting part. I like to call this area when you try to wake up in the morning without coffee. I then added some blocks that have rigid bodies, but fixed positions, but free rotation. I then wanted to make another area to recover from falling, and I had this idea of a tunnel. Okay, this is going to be fast, and you're up.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer? Every night.
And this is the end of level 1. And yeah, it has triangles. Okay, this is going to be tight. Yeah, okay. Hey, perfect. I then added some particles using Unity's particle system to make an end portal. This is so relaxing. or terrifying. I don't know which one. Okay, so this is me creating a jump sound, but I'm really sorry, I lost some footage of the sounds. And this is me opening FL Studio and making the music, but again, I kinda lost the footage. Holy, that looks so good. I'm gonna use this for level 2. I spent some time working on a level cleared animation. Here it is in action. Yes, I also did the voice for level cleared, but you can't hear it. Don't worry, you'll hear it at the end of the video. Yeah, boy. So next up, I made a title screen, Time Lord. Sounds cool. And a game over screen. Also, this is my first game with an actual speedrun component. The faster you finish it, the higher your score is going to be. And finally, here's a montage of me actually making level 2. Oh yes, and as promised, I actually made level 2 black and white. I couldn't resist, man. And then the game was done. It was time to build it for WebGL and hope for the best. And oh my dear god, the shaders are not working. Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what? Like, it's fine. It's fine. You know what? It's a feature. It's actually a feature, but yeah. You now have 2 different games. It's actually playable. So the WebGL build looks like this, and the Windows build, well, you know, it looks fine. And here's me actually playing the game so that you can hear the music and the sounds.
Level cleared.
And that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a like, and if you want to see more game dev videos, consider subscribing. Until then, I'll see you next time.